Full day school routine. Let's talk about a full day school routine. Ever wondered how to make your school day more productive and stress-free? A well-structured routine can help you stay on top of your studies while making time for relaxation and fun. In this guide, we'll walk through a detailed school day routine from morning to night, ensuring you get the most out of your day. Wake up and freshen up. Start your day by waking up early to maintain a consistent routine. Stretch your body to shake off sleepiness. Brush your teeth, wash your face, and drink a glass of warm water to rehydrate. If you take a morning shower, it can help you feel refreshed and energized. Morning exercise or stretching. A few minutes of stretching, yoga, or light exercise improves blood circulation and wakes you up. If you prefer outdoor activities, a short walk or a few jumping jacks can energize you. Breakfast and getting ready. Eat a nutritious breakfast that includes protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you energized. Examples: eggs, toast, fruit, milk, or oatmeal. Get dressed in your school uniform and check if your shoes, bag, and accessories are ready. Pack your school bag with books, notebooks, and other necessary supplies. Travel to school. Whether you're walking, taking the bus, or being dropped off, use this time to mentally prepare for the day. You can review notes or simply relax before starting school. Morning classes. Pay attention in class and take neat, organized notes. Engage in class discussions and ask questions if needed. Stay focused and avoid distractions like chatting or using your phone. Snack break. Eat a small, healthy snack such as fruit, nuts, or a sandwich to stay energized. Take a short walk or chat with friends to refresh your mind. Midday classes. Continue with lessons and complete in-class assignments. If a subject is difficult, take quick notes to review later. Lunch break. Eat a balanced lunch to refuel your body and stay focused for the rest of the day. Drink water to stay hydrated. Avoid eating too much junk food, as it may make you feel tired later. Afternoon classes. Finish up the remaining lessons for the day. Make sure you understand what was taught and note any homework assignments. Before leaving school, check if you need to bring any extra books or materials home. Travel back home. On the way home, relax and clear your mind. If possible, listen to an audiobook or podcast to unwind. Freshen up and snack. Change into comfortable home clothes. Wash your face and hands to feel refreshed. Have a light, healthy snack like yogurt, fruits, or a smoothie. Homework and study time. Complete homework assignments before they pile up. Revise classwork and review difficult topics. Use study techniques like making flashcards or summarizing notes. If you have a test coming up, break your study sessions into short intervals with breaks in between. Evening break and activities. Take a break from studying and do something enjoyable. Go outside for fresh air, play a sport, or talk to family members. If you have an extracurricular activity like a sports practice or a hobby, this is a great time to engage in it. Dinner and family time. Have a well-balanced dinner with vegetables, protein, and healthy carbs. Spend time with family members, talk about your day, and enjoy a relaxed meal. Leisure and entertainment. Watch a TV show, play a game, or read a book. If you enjoy creative activities like drawing, writing, or playing an instrument, this is the perfect time for it. Avoid too much screen time before bed to prevent sleep issues. Prepare for tomorrow. Pack your school bag with everything you need for the next day. Lay out your uniform and shoes to avoid morning stress. Set your alarm so you wake up on time. Wind down and relax. Reduce screen time and avoid using your phone in bed. Engage in a calming activity like meditation, journaling, or listening to soft music. Take deep breaths and clear your mind to prepare for sleep. Sleep time. Get into bed and aim for at least 8 hours of sleep. Try to sleep at the same time every night to maintain a healthy sleep cycle. A balanced day leads to success. A well-structured school routine helps you stay organized, productive, and stress-free. Balancing study, play, and rest is important for both your physical and mental well-being. By following this routine, you'll be able to make the most of your day while staying focused and energized. What does your daily school routine look like? Share in the comments.